Year 9 lesson number 2, term 1. We are talking about a style of music from Brazil called Samba. Where is it from?
Brazil.
And it's called?
Samba music.
Samba, spelled S-A-M-B-A. S-A-M-B-A. And the first instrument we've learnt about is a whistle called an apito. A-P-I-T-O. Apito. So, in this style of music called?
Apito.
Samba.
Samba
From?
Brazil.
The first instrument we're talking about is?
Apito.
Which is a?
It's a whistle.
A whistle. Excellent. How do you spell apito?
A-P-I-T-O.
Excellent. So,
Thank you.
and the whistle plays at the beginning to start off the performance, and it might sound something like this. I'm going to use my fingers. To which everybody else in the band plays 2 claps. 1, 1. So let's have 2 claps just to start with. Ready? Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we go. Good. That comes 3 times as we've just done. And then there is a signal like this. After which all the other instruments come in together with their own ostinato rhythm. And ostinato being a? Do you remember?
No.
From year 7? A repeated rhythm. A repeated rhythm. Ostinato, yes. And if you want to be Italian like Mr. Murdoch pretends to be, it's ostinato. So there we are. And it means a?
It means repeated rhythm.
A repeated rhythm. In this kind of music, it's often called a rhythmic cycle. A rhythmic cycle rather than an ostinato. Anyway, surdo are 2 large drums. Yeah. One slightly higher than the other in pitch. And they go like this. Dum, 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 dum. How many of those drums are there?
2.
And what are they called?
Surdo, spelt S-U-R-D-O.
Correct. Well done. And they play on the beat and are like the backbone of the whole samba band. Dum, 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 dum. So let's go from the beginning. Aha, you've forgotten. And again. Bum, bum, bum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Good. And that part we've just done there is played by what the instrument called again?
A surdo.
Surdo, spelt? How do you spell surdo?
S-U-R-D-O.
And what's the instrument that gives the signal? It's called the whistle instrument?
Apito.
Apito, spelt?
A-P-I-T-O.
Correct. So now we're going to look at the part played by the tamborim, which is a smaller drum. A smaller drum, a tamborim, spelled T-A-M-B-O-R-I-M. These drums are played with sticks, drumsticks. So we have apito, tamborim, and surdo. I'll say that again in a different order. Apito, surdo, and?
Tamborim.
Tamborim spelled?
T-A-M-B-O-R-I-M.
Correct. And it's different from a tambourine, which is an instrument which is shaken. Right, this rhythm goes like this. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. Yeah, you could say ti, ti, ta, but we're going to put in a rest on the first T. So it's cinco, be, ti, ta. Cinco, be, ti, ta. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. Together, 2, 3, go. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. Ta, 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 cinco, be, ti, ta. So you do it on your own. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ta, 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 cinco, be, ta.
Almost. Ti, ta. Ti, ta. Ti, ta. Ti, ta. Cinco, be, ti, ta. Cinco, be, ti, ta. Cinco, be, ti, ta. Right, you're all going to do the surdo now. Dum, 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 dum. And you and I are going to do the sordo part. I mean the tambourine part. Go. Ta 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 ta, syncope, tita. Ta 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 ta, syncope, tita. And stop. Of course, when you're listening to this on YouTube, you can play this over and over and over again and get it absolutely right. Now we go to the chocolo part. C-H-O-C-O-L-O. Sounds like chocolate, but it's chocolo instead.
So C-H-O-C-O-L-O.
Correct. Well done, chocolo.
Thank you.
And this simply goes titi 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 titi. So this is the sordo part. Dum, dum, dum. And the chocolo is titi 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 titi, and so on. What's the name of the instrument that plays that? Sounds like something you eat. Chocolo. The other drum we were learning about is called the tambourine, and the two big ones are called sordo, and the whistle is called the
Apito.
good.
So A-P-O. Shut up, not funny.
We're now going to learn about agogo, spelt A-G-O-G-O. Agogo. There are two bells with two different pitches, obviously, because they're different sizes. And these go ta ti ti ta ti ti, go be ta ti ti ta ti ti ta ti ti, go be ta ti ti. So we'll do that in small bits. So can we have go be ta, and go. And go. And now go beta titi. Again, go beta titi. And now we want this. Ta titi ta titi. Go. Right, you do the first bit and you do the second bit. Ta titi ta titi. Go beta titi ta. That's a bit muddled, listen. Go beta.